Hey, this is Rich of housebarons.com. My brother Dave and I renovate houses, and today we're going to show you how to fix a scratch in a hardwood floor. So we recently redid these hardwood floors, and the problem is we're moving some furniture and there was a screw stuck to a dresser, and it caused these scratch marks here. And so what we'd like to do is get those out so it looks like all the rest of the floor, which is really nice. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get some sandpaper, and we're going to lightly sand this, and we're going to remove all the polyurethane from this square, and then we're going to be recoating it. We're using very fine sandpaper. This is 220, and what we're trying to do is just scuff this up so that the wood will accept the polyurethane. And we want to go lightly because we really don't want to take this stain off of here. We're just trying to make some little scratches in this general area. We're going to try to make a rectangle here. We know exactly where to put the polyurethane. Alright, so we want to make sure that we get all of this dust off of here. So we're going to vacuum it first, and then we're going to use a damp cloth and go over the whole area to try to get every last little speck off of here. So otherwise that'll be in our finish. So we're using a damp cloth to get up any remaining residue here. And our hope is that the scratch isn't all the way through all the polyurethane and down into the actual stain. If it is, then you have to have another step where you would actually sand this all the way down, and now you'll be down to bare wood, in which case you'd have to restain it, which is a much bigger deal. And then at that point, you've got to find stain that matches your floor. But what we're going to try in this application is just to put the polyurethane. We're going to do 4 coats on here, and we're hoping that that will take care of the problem. All right, here's the polyurethane that we're going to use, and it's just a clear coat. We've taped this off so that everybody will know where not to step. And we're just applying this with a paintbrush. With this polyurethane, when you take the lid off, don't shake it because it'll create a lot of bubbles that would end up in your finish. So what you can do is just stir it, and that hopefully won't create too many bubbles. All right, we'll let this dry, and then we will be applying another coat in a little while. Alright, so here it is after just the first coat of polyurethane is dried, and it's already looking quite a bit better. It's kind of actually difficult to see, exactly what areas we had to work on. So we're going to hit it with 3 more coats of the polyurethane, and it should be looking great. Alright, so here is coat number 2. Okay, so we've now applied 4 coats of polyurethane to this scratch, and the scratched area is virtually undetectable, so all is well. Alright, as you can see, repairing a scratch in a hardwood floor is a job anyone can do. Definitely give this one a try, and you'll be pleased with the results. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe, because we've got a lot of home renovation and home repair videos coming out soon. So thanks so much for viewing.